Hello everyone, I'm Leonard Kinilabini, BS Criminology, 3rd year, Section E. And in this video, I will plant a tree for the purpose of encouraging the students to actively participate in protecting the environment by planting a tree and promoting environmental awareness. So, let's start. Let us begin with preparing the soil. Proper soil preparation is very important because it helps the plant to grow properly. And in this step, I loosen the soil to allow air and water to reach the roots easily. This also helps the plant absorb nutrients more effectively. By preparing the soil carefully, we are giving the banana plant a strong foundation for healthy growth. After preparing the soil, the next step is planting the banana plant. I carefully place the plant into the soil, making sure that it is positioned properly and securely. Then, I gently cover it with soil and press it lightly to keep it stable. Proper planting is important so that the roots can firmly attach to the ground and support the plant as it grows taller. This step ensures that the banana plant will grow strong and healthy over time. After planting, I collect water to use for watering the banana plant. Water plays a very important role in the growth of banana plants because they require consistent moisture to survive and develop properly. Now, I will water the plant. Banana plants need regular watering to keep the soil moist and to support their fast growth. Water helps transport essential nutrients from the soil to the plant, allowing it to grow healthier and stronger. Proper and consistent care will help the banana plant grow successfully. Planting trees is very important because it helps sustain life on Earth. Trees provide oxygen, improve air quality, and serve as a home for many living organisms. They also help reduce heat and prevent environmental damage such as soil erosions. In our community, trees are very beneficial because they provide food, shade, and even support livelihoods, just like this banana plant. As for my personal advocacy, I believe that protecting nature starts with simple actions. By planting and taking care of this banana plant, I am doing my part in helping the environment. So, I encourage everyone to plant, care for nature, and be responsible stewards of our environment. Together, we can make a difference for a greener and healthier future. That's all. Thank you for watching.